Hello and welcome to my About video. This is to introduce the course entitled Literary Theory, designed for third year licence students. Before we begin, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Asma Belazouz. I am a teacher at the Department of English, Faculty of Foreign Languages, University of Algiers 2. I here leave my email address. Feel free to contact me if you need anything. Literary Theory is a course that requires basic readings, a list I have prepared and I'll be happy to share with you later. In this course, the assessment will be divided to two parts. You will be writing paragraphs for a midterm quiz, and you will also need to write an essay for an end-of-term exam. The main objectives for this course are to develop your critical thinking and enhance your literary criticism skills and expand your own knowledge on literary works and what you'll be learning, which is literary theory. In order to be able to follow and complete this course, you need a number of prerequisites. What you need to is a good understanding of the literary theories and terms that will be introduced to you later. You will be asked to differentiate well between literary theory and literary movements. You will need to know how to evaluate and assess topics with a critical perception. You'll be asked to develop an interest to debate and to accept the opinions and ideas of others in order to be able to argue in favor of a claim and question preconceived ideas. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify context-oriented tools applied in literary theory and literary criticism and discuss them in relation to a literary work's context. You will also be able to interpret literary works in relation to their context and question already examined ones. You will also be able to argue in favor of a claim in a well-structured argumentative essay that analyzes a passage from a literary work. This is only done after completing the content of this course that focuses first on context-oriented criticism, and the context that we will be dealing with is lesson number 2, that is 19th century America. And this will be studied through one short story by Charlotte Perkins Gilman entitled The Yellow Wallpaper. The first literary criticism you will be introduced to is psychoanalysis through Freud's first model of the human mind, through which you will learn to read the unconscious text. Later, you will be introduced to Marxist criticism of capitalism and Marxist literary criticism, and these will be the two lessons that we'll be focusing on next. You will also learn by the end of this semester what an unconscious is in a text and how to find it. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and meet you in the next video.